Hey, good morning, everyone. Austin leaders want to get a life-saving drug into the hands of the right people. Good morning, and thanks for joining us here on KXAN News Today. I'm Sally Hernandez.
And I'm Tom Miller. Last month, the Food and Drug Administration approved over-the-counter use of Narcan. Comes as opioid overdoses are on the rise in Austin, and there is no sign of this slowing down.
And the number of overdoses in the city has increased by 300% in the past 5 years. Huge problem. That's according to the Austin Travis County EMS. And KXAN's Dylan McKim joining us live from Austin City Hall with how the city plans to get Narcan distributed. Good morning.
Good morning, Sally and Tom. A proposed resolution here at Austin City Council would give more resources and training to organizations and businesses that are located in hotspots. Those are areas in our city that experience the most overdoses.
In the back of this EMS truck, inside this blue bag, can be the difference between life and death. As Austin Travis County EMS Commander Blake Hardy explains, the difference is simple.
You open the package, you place this in their nostril, and you push.
It's a Narcan kit, a life-saving medication that reverses the effects of an opioid overdose. It acts as a nasal spray and can be used by anyone. And that's important, because to save someone from an opioid overdose, it needs to happen quick.
The primary way that opioids hurt you is they stop you from breathing. So they diminish your breathing to almost none or zero, so death occurs within minutes.
Hardy says 25 Narcan kits are used every month in Austin before first responders arrive. The Food and Drug Administration recently approved the first over-the-counter Narcan spray. City leaders want to get more of it in the community.
Having these life-saving medications available to business owners and people in the community will save lives.
But they want to do it efficiently by using data. These are the top 5 zip codes in Austin with the most overdoses in a 14-month period between 2021 and 2022. The most are the Sunset Valley and Riverside areas, with almost 200 overdoses between the two of them. If the resolution is passed, Hardy and his team would go into areas they know have a trend of overdoses to work with organizations and businesses.
If a business has had more than one overdose in a certain amount of time, in or near their business, then we'd like to talk to them about sort of joining the team.
Now, Hardy also explained that Narcan takes about a minute or two before it goes into effect after you sprayed it. So he also encourages people to learn CPR training to help keep the heart pumping as you wait for Narcan to take effect. Also important to note, if someone is not experiencing an opioid overdose and you do give them a Narcan nasal spray, it will not have any negative impacts to their health. Reporting live at City Hall, Dylan McKim, KXAN News.